Hello everyone, my name is Rose Levette. Thank you for stopping by to my first Rose Levette DIY video here on YouTube. Very excited to inspire you guys through these videos I will start doing here on this wonderful platform. My first video, I wanted to make it something very easy to recreate and most of all inspirational for my viewers out there. My first video, as you notice in the title below, will be decorating my dining room table. Throughout the video, explain where a lot of these products come from. A big chunk do come from the Dollar Tree, but I do purchase a few products from Dollar General, Michael's, and Hobby Lobby. Please stay tuned. Most importantly, before you leave, give this video a big thumbs up. Will let me know how many people got inspired and liked my video, especially it being my first video. Do not forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so every time I post a new video, you guys get the first ding. So please keep on watching. What we're going to be doing in this video is decorating my dining room table. My dining room table, what I really want to be the focal point are my plates. I have 4 of these white plates that I got at Hobby Lobby. They were $1.99 each. And I have 2 of these plates, which would be the end plates that I got at Michael's. They were $6, got 50% off for $3 each. We're going to start off by decorating this white one from Hobby Lobby. Now, every little thing I put on there will let you know where I got it from. We're going to start off with a napkin. This napkin here, I got it at Target. What's on clearance? It's a pack of 4. Cute little checkered stocking. I got this at Target for $1. I have 2 different options. One that's already made and one that I made from the Dollar Tree. Now, Dollar Tree carries this 3 ready set pack of silverware. Something easy, you just slide in, already done. Now, if you cannot find these at your local Dollar Tree, you can make one. Now, here I just got a plain white napkin from the Dollar Tree, and I got a pack of the silverware. What I ended up doing, just getting 1 of each and just taping it down. And then for it to fit into the stocking, I just folded the napkin over and taped that as well. Now that we have this set here, I want to lay a ribbon over this. Now I have this ribbon that I already have pre-cut that I bought at the Dollar Tree. Very cute. Most importantly, don't be afraid, sorry, to mix in patterns and colors. It's Christmas, so just, go crazy with it. So here, what I did, I just got the ribbon, measured it to around the size of the paint, and just left about 1 inch out, flapping, so I can turn the plate over and just tape it down. So let's take this off here and do that. Just gonna get this, flip it over, and just tape the ends. There. Now I'm just going to end up sliding everything back in here. Bows I also purchased at the Dollar Tree. They came in a pack of 3. I have gold and red. So I indicate I have 4 white plates, so I'm just going to alternate with the plate. So here I'm going to put this gold. So all I do is I grab the bow, put 1 end into the ribbon and 1 lace outside of the ribbon. And I have stockings as well and a little tree that are meant to be ornaments that I got at the Dollar General. They were just $1 each. Very, very cute. I'm going to alternate of these as well. I got 2 each, so I'm just going to lay 1 here between the napkin and the stocking I already have. And then I also purchased these cute little tags, gift tags at Target for $1 each. Very cute. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get one that says do not open till December 25th. I'm just gonna lay that here. It's cute clips that were at Target. We're gonna pack of 6 over $1 as well. Just gonna use this to clip that on there. So now we're going to start off decorating the checker plate that I got at Michael's. Here I'm going to use a different napkin. I got this at a yard sale. Very cute. It has lace all around the border. So that we're going to lay down there. And then here I have a different stocking stuffer that I got at Target for $1. It says Believe, very beautiful. Gonna lay that next to that napkin. Now here I'm gonna use the 3 Ready Set silverware pack that I got at the Dollar Tree. Fits perfect into this little stocking here. Just slide that in quickly. Perfect. So that's how it looks so far. Now here I have a different type of ribbon that I want to use. This very beautiful gold ribbon that we got at the Dollar Tree. I already cut this here. As indicated, I just went over the plate, went to the sides and left about 1 inch out each side. Now I'm just gonna slide in that napkin again. Perfect. And this stocking here with our silverware. Now for here, I have a different type of bowl. I wanted to use something different. I have this from the Dollar Tree, came in a pack of 2. We're gonna do the same we did to the other plate. Just gonna get 1 tail out, 1 tail in. And the ornament is different as well. I got this at Michael's. It was an ornament. I just ended up cutting the rope off. These were half off, so these end up being $1. Very cute. The do not open for this one. Let's just clip that with the clip as well. And there we go. This is how the checkered plate is going to be decorated. These are all very easy, very cost efficient. You guys can change out the bowls, change out the ornaments, the bags. You can make it all completely different. Just an idea I wanted to give you guys so you guys can decorate your dining room table. So now I'm going to set the table and for you guys to see the end result and put little things in here and there for you guys to get an idea on how to decorate as well. That set at the table now, so I just want to show you how that all came out. So here we have our checkered plate from Michael's. Is our white plate. As I indicated, I changed out the ornaments and bows. Center of my table. I sadly didn't record that part, but I have this beautiful sparkly white garland that I ended up getting at Michael's. It was 50% off, so it ended up being $10. And this beautiful little ornaments. It was a pack of 100 for $12. Now that was a great price. His candle holders, guys, see more months ago. These beautiful little nutcrackers. I have one here. These were from the Dollar Tree. And these beautiful reindeers here were from Hobby Lobby. My beautiful mother just ended up adding little bowls of the leftover, just dropped that nutcracker, ribbon that I had from the plates. And little pieces here that I had. And this cute little Santa Claus that we got at Michael's for doing a big purchase. And this is how my table looks. Please, if you like my first video, give it a big thumbs up. Will let me know how many people I inspired and enjoyed my video. Most importantly, subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you guys get a little ding every time I post a new video. Hope you guys enjoy the video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Bye!